This is the HomePod Mini, and I have no idea what it does. Actually, that was the box to the HomePod Mini. This is the HomePod Mini. Hi, and welcome to Dad's Tech Advice, where you come for the tech reviews, but you stay for the dad jokes. In this video, we're going to take a look at Apple's brand new HomePod Mini. This video is sponsored by TubeTemplates.com. For affordable YouTube graphics, there's no better choice than TubeTemplates.com. And right now, use promo code DADSTech and save 30% off your entire order. So first impressions of this, one, it's actually kind of spongy feeling, which was kind of a surprise. It's got this slick surface on top, which I'm going to have to stop talking and mute this part because every time I touch the darn thing, it plays music and I don't know how to stop it, but we'll see the pretty colors. Hey Siri, stop. Don't copyright me, bro. But I get that it's kind of an extension of the Apple ecosphere, and it also allows you to interact in the same way that some of the other home devices do with the smart devices in your house. It's obviously also a speaker that plays music, so you can kick your music over to the HomePod Mini and enjoy music in your house. The one thing that I will say is it does kind of encourage me to want to go out and spend more money on things that are HomePod compatible. I do have some smart devices in my house, but so far it seems that they aren't actually compatible with this guy. And because I love tech, regardless of how much I know about this ahead of time, I figured for 99 bucks it was worth checking out the Apple product or line of products, the smart products for your home, to see exactly whether this was worth it. I have previously used Amazon Alexa. I have several Amazon products in my home, including Echo Dot and whatever the Echo one is with the video screen on it. So I do have a variety of devices, and every time you accidentally touch the top of this device, the music just starts playing. And what's super confusing is I have the same problem in my car where it will, if I get close to my car, it'll suddenly start playing music. But the good part is when that happens, I can go to my phone and turn it off because it's simply Bluetooth pairing to my phone and it starts playing. When this thing starts playing music randomly, I have no idea where to go to turn it off other than to talk to it. Now, talking to it, there's a topic that I want to bring to your attention because I've already set up. Hey Siri, what's the weather today?
It's currently cloudy and 37 degrees. Expect rain, then cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 37 degrees to 28 tonight.
So clearly I have it set up to recognize my voice. And the problem that I've been having is when I go into the HomeKit, it immediately asks me if I want it to recognize my voice again. This is similar to the frustration I was seeing with the setup of the new iPad or iPhone 12 Pro Max. It kept asking me to do stuff that I had already done, and then it failed at the end. But this clearly gives me the only opportunity here is to try again. So if I select don't recognize my voice, turn off, then I go into continue. It's bringing me back into all the setup again. And then it is, I have my favorite accessories at the bottom where it shows the HomePod, but from there it gets kind of squirrely. If I touch the button, associated with the HomePod, it just starts playing music. I didn't ask it to play music ever. At no point in time did I ask it to play music other than during the setup process where it actually tells you to ask it to do so. And the irony is it put it on what it called, I think, Apple One, which was talk radio. There was no music. So there's definitely a learning curve here to figure out everything that it can do and to figure out why this automatically adjusts or decides that you must want to play music. And it's almost like if you look, I don't know if you can see this here. It says the HomePod is paused. So it thinks it's in the middle of playing music, and I've stopped it from playing music, but it's still in like a standby mode, which no matter what you do, whether you touch the button here in your phone, or you touch the top of the HomePod right there on the shiny part, it will just resume playing music that I never really asked it to play. So that's a little bit interesting. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research to figure out all the cool things you can do with it. But I will tell you this, I am going to go out and buy some compatible smart devices for my home, especially with Christmas coming up. You know, be able to control the tree and all those other fun things using this device. Also, a cool feature of this is that they say that if you put two of these in the same room and you play music through them, it will automatically read the fact that there's another one in the room with it, and it will automatically split. How many times can I say automatically? It will split the music into left and right channels all on its own. So, see that? I didn't say automatically again. But it's smart enough to do that and split left and right music channels into each separate HomePod so you can set them up as surround sound speakers. I thought that was pretty cool. We're going to continue to learn all the features of this. I just wanted to show it to you. I just took it out of the box, as I mentioned and showed you. This is, in fact, the box that it comes in. Pretty straightforward. And we'll continue to share videos as I learn new cool things to do with the new HomePod Mini. And you're still here, you must want a dad joke. Well, here it is, and I think it's definitely on topic. If you witness a robbery at an Apple store, does that make you an eyewitness? When it comes to tech, you're definitely going to see a fair share of Apple and Amazon related products here on Dad's Tech Advice. So I encourage you to click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss future content. And click on that playlist on screen now to see more from Dad's Tech Advice.